Hey everyone, doing another factory update here. We are on the last day, hopefully, of the install for the solar panels. So this is on the roof. We have the panels, and then all the wiring comes down to here where we have our inverters and our battery packs. We have a series of batteries here and over there, and then all the heavy-duty electrical wiring and inverters are here. And so far it's going really well, except we're missing one piece which was here and it's not here now. So we're trying to locate that piece, otherwise we have to order another one, and then it's going to take like a week before it is here. But we're anxious to get this off the ground because we want to have our solar system running and be running on green energy, and we don't have to worry about power outages, which doesn't happen too often, but it does happen sometimes. But I'd much prefer to be running on the sun than running on any other form of energy. So we're excited about having it done. The guys are hard at work here to finish up the last little bits of the install. But yeah, hey, how's it going?
Pretty good so far. So
yeah,
probably we're gonna need some backing.
Okay.
This up.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna start wiring the batteries.
Okay. All right. And then I guess the guys will start making the enclosure as soon as you're done.
Yeah, we'll need that.
Okay. All right. So one thing we have to do that's really important, we need to put an enclosure around this area because there's fiberglass and other dust and particulate and other things that are floating around, and it's really important to make sure that toxic dust and things like that don't get into the sensitive electronics, because that can cause problems, and then we have a very expensive solar power system that won't work. So yeah, but we're getting there.